All right, guys. So if your TV is stuck on a black screen, Google TV specifically, we're going to give you some things to check to see why it might be doing that. Now, before I jump in, I'm going to read this because I did do some research and this is what I found. So a black screen is often HDCP handshake failure, not necessarily a dead TV. If the TV can't negotiate digital rights with the source device, it shows a black screen instead of an error. Boot corruption after updates also causes this pattern. So how we're going to fix this? Pretty simple. We're going to start by disconnecting, whoops, everything. So I only have one HDMI on here, but if I had multiple, take everything off. Okay, we're going to disconnect all of our HDMIs. We're going to unplug the TV for a full 60 seconds, okay? What that does is it lets the electrical buildup that sometimes kind of gathers dissipate. It's just gonna wash it away. And that's gonna help clear up some of these issues that we might have. Okay. Now, after we do the unplugging for 60 seconds. We're also going to not plug it into a surge protector because sometimes the surge protectors go bad and it doesn't generate enough electricity to properly power the TV, which could be causing an issue as well. So make sure if you can plug your TV directly into the wall to get the cleanest, most efficient source of energy. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, with everything turned back on, if you're still getting the black screen, you're going to just do a quick soft reset by pressing the physical power button and holding it for 60 seconds. Okay, and if that doesn't work, let's see. Okay, so we can reset the TV with the remote by hitting the power button and volume down. So let me actually see if this will work. So hit those two, and it says that we should get the logo to pop back on the screen. So I got the power and the volume down. And maybe it will work, maybe it won't. Well, try it on your TV. If it works, drop it in the comment because I would love to see that. And that is really a quick guide on what to check for if your TV is black and won't turn on. Now you can go a lot deeper and actually take the TV apart, but honestly, I don't know how to do that. And there's a guy on YouTube, I don't know what his name is, but he has some pretty cool videos of him taking apart a TV. So maybe check those out. But either way, I hope this helps. If it does, like, subscribe, all that great stuff. See you next time.